And hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are back here with Bailey and his mate Artemis. So where they left off is they left off getting some territory and all that stuff. So I probably am gonna show the territory marking and also not show it at the same time, because like I feel like there'd be some fun things that would happen, like fighting and stuff, so I thought I'd show that. So but yeah, but if anything boring happens, I'll just skip and do that stuff. So yeah, let's get into the video. Ooh. Whoa! Okay. That was like extremely loud, but that's okay. Bailey's gonna play this smart. Hopefully. Okay, yep. It's only 4. Wait, I wanna know. Okay, so 602M is the leader. Good to know. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I hear your little pup or something? Ah, you're being a rat. Okay. This is my territory. Okay, get off of her. Hey. Oh, you're being rats. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, I shouldn't be going after the pup. Oh, you little rat. Okay. Oh, you stupid pup, you're all gonna die. Okay, Bailey is not liking this. Okay, Artemis, come here. Okay, whoa! Oh, we have no energy. That's probably why. Whoa, we're running, okay. Whoa, why won't it let me bite on? Okay. This is... We are literally in our territory. It's okay. We'll get them back, Artemis. Okay, Bailey is not gonna let them get away with that, so we're gonna do a pack rally and we're gonna go back up there, and Bailey's gonna kick their butt. And hopefully kill one. Sadly, I can't see their health, so it is making it harder. But they are deeper in our territory now, so they should, like, run more. Yeah, I'm gonna be focused on you. 'Cause if we can kill one, they'll flee. Hopefully. If I can even bite on. Okay. You have an injury. Whoa, sir. Let me kill this wolf, please. Oh, it's the pup. Oh, you little rat. Oh, I hate you. I'm killing this pup. Get him, Artemis. Yeah, I'm sorry, pup, but you were making me mad. We are in their territory, so we're gonna back into our territory. Get our stamina up. Go back in for the bite. Oh my gosh. These are really making me mad right now. If Moon can do it, Bailey can do it. Yeah, you're starting to run, I can tell. Artemis is taking a good amount of damage, that is for sure, but we'll be okay. Bailey's just not gonna pass with them trying to take our territory. Okay, this is at 100%, so we're gonna go back into theirs. Actually, yeah, I made Bailey weakened you. There we go. There. Well, Billy will let the leader survive and the pup, because he doesn't really want to kill a pup. He'd feel too bad. I know Moon definitely would, but Billy's not going to. So he'll let those two pass, but he sure did kill two of their members. And let's hope they have learned their lesson to not mess with Bailey and Artemis. Let's hope they don't come back anytime soon. So far, those were the only pack they have met so far, which is probably on the good side. Okay guys, I think I'm going to speed it up from here, so we will see you once they have claimed all of the territory. Okay guys, so we're back, and so we now have 15 X's, and we found all the dens, so now it is time to pick a pack name. So I was thinking about this, and I thought Bailey would be cool to be the Hunter's pack, because Bailey loves to hunt, and he's always been known for his really good hunting and stuff. Oh sweet! And they sure did run into a good amount of dispersals along the way. Whoa! Okay, what the heck happened all the way up here? Did they disperse or something? No, still the pack leader. Huh. Their territory is just like completely beaten up and everything. So it's a little weird. Oh well. Anyway, they're just gonna claim a couple more hexes, and then they will be picking the territory and then having pups. Honestly, Bailey's gonna be an amazing father, that is for sure. Why is that at 47? Oh, that was not at 47 before. And then probably after Bailey has his pups, he's gonna hunt right away, bring back food for pups, and then mark territory a lot. Because he wants to make sure his pups are in a safe environment, and yeah. And plus, I usually like to have at least 20 hexes. At the moment, I only have 15. So, yeah. We're gonna have a pack rally for their stamina can be boosted. But for now, they're gonna go find a den. So I'm thinking the dens probably where I'm going to choose are gonna be right here, the two that are very close to each other. Because I like those dens. And they're just nice, and they're really close to each other, so in case like the flea rate is extremely high. So, yeah. I don't think they really need a hunt right now. Okay. Yeah, these dens are extremely close. I believe in the last episode with Bailey, he marked, yeah, you can see the scent post, it's literally right on the water. That's funny. Okay. And now we shall choose our den. Rocky River, because I guess they're kind of by like a lake / river. It's our birthday! Okay, I do like doing these two a lot. So, I could do stamina, speed, or health. Could do strength, but I don't think I'm gonna do strength, so I think he's gonna do health. So, yeah, advance to age 3. And 4 puppies! Oh, sweet, 2 males and 2 females. That, I like it when that happens. When they're, like, even. Okay. Yep. Okay, territories. Seriously, I'm wondering what is happening between these guys. Artemis, are you playing in the bushes or something? Okay. 1891M. Hi, buddy! Ooh, it's like a chocolate brown color. That's pretty. And then we have 1893M, who is even darker than 1891M. And then we have 1892, like a type of grayish brown. Yeah, these guys are gonna have some pretty dark pups. And then 1894F is like another little gray color. Yeah, she's more gray. So the females are more darker grayish brown, and the males are pretty brown. That's a cute. Yeah, that's cute. So these guys will be having some darker pups, that is for sure. Oh, they're so cute! Artemis, let them get fed first before you start playing. Wow, you guys are hungry. They're so cute. I love their wobbly legs. So it does seem like there are some elk wandering around. So Artemis and Bailey are gonna probably go hunt. Come on, guys. And then Bailey will send Artemis back. And then Bailey will do some territory. And that's probably where the video will end off. Okay, guys. Go into the den. Aw, 1893 and rolling around. So guys, comment down some name suggestions. Oh my gosh. I might also not name them until I can see their coats more clearly. I have been thinking about doing that, but we shall see. Okay, they're both in the den. Or, all in the den. Okay, now Artemis, let's go hunt. You coming? Yep, okay. So, the elk must be up here. Yeah. Okay. Don't know what happened. There's a den nearby. I think I know what den it is. It is this one, this tree den. Yeah. That one's also a nice den. I didn't realize how close it was to the other two. Because I would have chosen that one as well, because I like that den. Okay, elk, how far are you? Looks there are some moose in the area as well. Yep, there's the moose. Okay, so the elk must be up here because there are more scents appearing. But there's also bison pass wolves, from what I'm smelling. Which I feel like Bailey is gonna have some trouble with that pack. But it'll be okay. Okay, so now we gotta go this way. And if Bailey has to... Oh, okay, that was a lot closer than expected. Artemis? Oh my gosh, Artemis is getting trampled. Okay, elk. Can we start Oh. Okay. Apparently this one got chosen. Oh yeah, she must be weak. She's... Oh, wow, that was extremely weak. That was probably the fastest hunt they've ever done so far. Okay, Bailey's gonna do a quick howl so they can mark the carcass. And then, I believe Artemis is... Okay, what is going on with 48 and 46%? Like, what the heck? Okay, Bailey is gonna send Artemis back, and he's gonna go... Yeah, Bailey's gonna go fix those hexes. And that is a cougar already, okay. Good to know. But no, they were literally just at 100%, so once Bailey is done marking those, that is probably where the video will stop. And there's another elk herd. Huh. 2 elk herds right next to each other. Interesting. But like, there's no territories around those areas, so I don't know why they have gone so low. It could be because of dispersals, because there definitely has been a lot of dispersals hanging around in Bailey's territory. He has been trying to chase them off, but, you know. That's where that den was. I swear, I was trying to find it earlier, but I couldn't because of the snow. Bailey also might take this 50 hex, because why not? And it's only at 50%, and then he can have more territory. Especially if dispersal wolves are, for some reason, trying to take over. Can dispersal wolves even, like, take down territory? Because I don't know if they can or not. That is a fox. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where that scent post is, and I'm not gonna even try and find it. So we're just gonna do the howling way, but Bailey's gonna have to make sure he's looking around in case he sees any wolves coming right at him. I mean, him and Artemis did take down 2 of their wolves, but still. Just to be on the safe side. Definitely shouldn't be coming from this direction, so just gotta look this direction. Okay, Hex is almost ours. Okay. Okay, that's just like a pronghorn or something. I thought that was like a wolf. But nope, just a pronghorn. Artemis must be howling because it looks, actually no, it's probably one of these 2. Okay. Now it is time to go and get those 2 territory mark hexes back up because I don't know why they're so low. I love being in the valley, it's so pretty. It has like the best hunting spots and everything. And honestly, Bailey just loves to run around in it and seeing the streams and everything. Look at the birdie. I just fell and ran over it. Okay. You know, Bailey's gonna just take some more territory while he's out here, so he's probably gonna go here, and then up to there. So then he can take it before the other packs do. Okay. I will have to say, crossing the streams are pretty hard for how deep they are. But it is really cool how, like, there's so much water in the valleys. That is one feature that I do like. Okay. It's just so peaceful. Okay, how long? Okay, just one more howl, and then it should be good. How many? Okay, so I can't see how many hexes he has anymore, and I don't think I want to count at the moment. But, oh, I can see these guys trying to sneak in right here. It's so lightly, but you can definitely see it. Well, hello, Moose. How is your day going? Splendid, I see. And they're running. Okay. It's cool how there's like this path up here. I've always wanted to try like having a den up here, but I always feel like they're so far away from each other because I know there are some dens up there. But yeah, I've always been on the other side of the map. are the pups doing? Okay, so it looks like we do have a runt. 1893M is the runt, so that's gonna be fun. But Bailey will make sure he survives. He'll make sure all of his pups survive, hopefully. Okay, so yeah, they're in that hex, aren't they? Bailey might run into some baronet pack wolves. They also could be the ones that are taking their territory a little bit and making it lower, but you never know. There's an elk herd right there. That's fun. Okay, so Bailey did kind of just accidentally went into this hex, but you know, it's okay. It's good to have more territory and stuff like that. Ugh. I just looked outside and it is like a full-on blizzard, even though it's spring right now. So I don't know why we had to get snow. And plus the snow is making me not be able to make a Crescent Moon Bag episode. And guys, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make another Crescent Moon Pack episode the next weekend or not. It really depends on weather and who I'm with. So I would love to be able to post a Crescent Moon Pack episode soon, but I have to make them first. And I might start editing the Treasure in the Shadows again. I stopped editing because I was having a hard time editing something, and it was like, oh my gosh. Oh, there are wolves nearby, aren't there? Bailey's gonna get jumped, isn't he? I feel like he's gonna get jumped. So he's gonna go on the very edge of the territory, or to somewhere where he can see if there are wolves coming at him. Ah, here we go! Okay, fighting time! Ooh, you're pretty. Even though Bailey doesn't want to fight, they did come charging at him. But he does know he's in their territory, but it'll be okay. He's just gonna make sure they run off and stuff like that. And yeah, no hard feelings, guys. Okay, your packmate must suck because she's doing absolutely nothing to help you while you were getting full on demolished right now. Come on. Oh. Sorry. Okay, that seems to happen a lot. Bailey has probably killed more wolves than Moon has at the moment. Wait. Moon has killed 2, 3, 4. Moon has killed around 4. Bailey has killed around 5. I don't know. You guys can go back and count for me. But I will say that wolf did have a pretty coat. There's one wolf that keeps howling, and I'm very curious if it's Artemis howling, and I think it is. Yeah, it is Artemis howling to Bailey. How cute. Okay, Bailey's just gonna get this hex right here, and then he's gonna go back to the pups. And I think he's gotten enough territory so far. Oh my gosh, do Hornaday have so much territory? Honestly, if any of the other packs want to be fighting, they should be fighting with them, because they have like that whole entire upper corner up there. Sad thing about where Bailey is staying is he's in the middle, so all packs can come at him at once, but it'll be okay. What are you? You're a rabbit. Bailey is gonna eat the rabbit. But guys, this video is getting quite long, so Bailey's just gonna head up back to the den, and that's where the video is gonna end. And let's hope no predators wait nearby, especially cougars. Because we all know I've had trouble with cougars at that den before. So yeah. Yeah. I do hear dispersals howling again, of course. So that is not really fun. But I hope Artemis had a fun time playing with the pups while Bailey was gone. And you guys are gonna be lucky. You guys are gonna get about like almost a 30-minute video, or over a 30-minute video. Okay, pups. Artemis, you don't even have all of them out of the den. The flea rate's gonna go so high. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and Bailey will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!